Get ready to trade your backpack for a Beatles record because student life here is a rock and roll dream and practically a stone's throw from your dream university. Chestnut Court L15, Liverpool is a fabulous student accommodation offering 5-bedroom flats, all recently renovated. Step into your bedroom complete with new carpets, fresh furniture, plush double bed, dedicated study area, and clean shared bathrooms. When hunger strikes, the shared kitchen is equipped with everything you need. But the real star of the show is our communal lounge, now featuring brand new sofas, perfect spot to unwind and connect with your flatmates. Start your day with a quick 5-minute drive to Liverpool Hope University or just 9 minutes to Liverpool University. Don't be all about the books. Go out and explore the wonders of the World Museum, that's 13 minutes by car, or the Walker Art Gallery in the same amount of time. Plus, the Edge Hill train station is a quick 6-minute drive, opening doors to the entire city for your adventures. Get ready to make memories that will last a lifetime right here at Chestnut Court L15. Head over to amberstudent.com and book your stay today.